The 2020 Lincoln Aviator debuts a number of firsts for the brand, but one of the coolest is the ability to leave your keys at home and just use your phone as the key. Now, this optional feature uses 11 Bluetooth low-energy antennas scattered throughout the vehicle that can tell how far away you are with your phone and where you are in relation to the vehicle. As you approach and get within 10 feet, the Lincoln Embrace activates, and that causes the lights to come on so you can see better at night and the suspension to lower for easier access into the SUV. Now, when you get within 3 feet of any of the doors or the rear hatch, you can just grab a handle, get in the car, and go. You don't have to unlock your phone or even take it out of your pocket. And once you're inside, you can just start the car and drive away. Now, outside of 10 feet, you still have the ability to use the Lincoln Way app for remote features like starting the vehicle or putting your windows down. Now, outside of 130 feet, the car defaults to Wi-Fi connectivity or its built-in 4G LTE connection to give you remote control of the vehicle. The latency is a lot longer when you go that way, but at least you can check remotely whether your windows are down or your doors are locked when you're away from the car. Now, if you ever lose your phone or your battery's dead for whatever reason, you can use a keypad on the door to enter a 5-digit PIN to gain access to the vehicle, and then another 8-digit PIN in the dashboard to start the car and drive away. So there's been your look at how the Lincoln Car as Key feature works in the 2020 Aviator. Be sure to check out our full review and first drive over on the Roadshow.com for even more details about this luxury SUV.